Hey guys, welcome to Tracy's Local Learnings if you've not been here before, and welcome back to all my wonderful subscribers. I am so grateful for you guys. So today I want to first talk about how to save some money and then show you a really easy recipe. So I don't know about your house, but potatoes are like a common thing for supper. My husband's really loving the meat and potatoes thing. So I try to save money on these things whenever possible. As the prices are going up, it's getting kind of crazy. So one of the things we love to buy are these little baby potatoes, right? I like the taste of them. You can get the tri-colored ones, the red ones, the yellow ones. So I always keep my eyes open on clearance racks for these things. So normally they're like $3-4, right, for the bag. And I found them for $1.48 a bag on a clearance rack. So I stocked up on them. Typically when you're dealing with these small potatoes on clearance racks, you can just sniff the bag. Oops. And you can tell whether or not they're rotten, you know what I mean? So then just pick a different one. And even if you get some that aren't in the greatest condition when you get home, it's no different than the ones you spent full price for. Sometimes you got to cut a little piece off, right? So tonight I'm making chicken, and I'm going to do up these baby potatoes. So I've washed them and checked them over to make sure nothing gross is on them or no bad spots, and I've cut them out. I literally just toss them in some bacon grease because I love bacon. And tonight I'm going to do garlic and oregano. So I take my garlic powder, I give it a little shaky. Same with the oregano. Oops. Same with the, it doesn't want to come out. So we'll go this way, shaky. And then I'm not going to use another spoon. I just use my same thing. Give them a little stir around. And pop them in the oven. So I encourage you guys to look at clearance racks, you know. It could be a bag of carrots. It could be a bag of potatoes. It could be a bag of apples. You can throw together an apple crisp for dinner or whatever, right? So check out the clearance racks. Save yourself some money and make some delicious sides. Thanks for coming by my channel. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.